All right, on tonight's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our generative AI course, and we're still building our Gemini model. So let's have a look at what we went over tonight. Tonight we added a few more pieces of code, and we did add a lot more notes. So let's take it from the top what we're going to be reading for tonight. And yeah, so now our API key is configured. I showed you that last night. And even though we have our API key displayed in our Colab notebook, this isn't good practice. That's why we created our .env file. That's going to be the protection file that's keep all our secrets secret. Now we can move forward. Let's look at the gen. Let's look at the genai.config method. This method will provide us with two important models. These are the Gemini Pro and Gemini Pro Vision models. Gemini Pro is optimized for text-only prompts. Gemini Pro Vision is optimized for text and images prompts. Here's some code from the instructor's version of the Quick Start Colab notebook that's not in our version of it, so I just took it down just in case we needed it. It's another for loop for mngenai.list models if generate content and m dot supported generation methods print m dot name. So basically, I guess you're checking for all of the models inside of the generation inside the Gen AI list, and for all of the one models that create content or applicable to generating content, it's going to actually print out the name of that model. So yeah, like I said, I'm not sure we're going to be using that, but I did see that in the instructor's Google Colab notebook, and it's not in our notebook or the quick start version of the books, so I took it down just in case. Now, before we move forward, let's discuss some of the use cases of using these LLM models. So these are the use cases, just a few of them: extracting and utilizing data provided, automating specific tasks, modifying existing data, text generation, chat, which can be considered question and answering. Now, basically, that's all we did for the night. We did add a few more pieces of code, like I just showed you, and we did take a lot more notes. So, yeah, we're going to keep moving forward, and we're going to keep building our Gemini project. Like, this is the first time we're actually doing a Gemini project, so I'm going to take it slowly so we can do it step by step and make sure we have a full understanding of everything before we move forward and try to do things on our own. But, of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.